Feminist theorists also contributed in widening scope of sociology, right? Feminist theorist, कई का तो नाम आप जानते हैं, Jane Addams, yeah? She also worked for women, old age women, right? Destitute women, yeah? So, feminist sociologists argued that social, economic, cultural, political, religious experiences of men and women in society are different because of their social location, yeah, and a structural condition of patriarchy, yes na. A structural condition of patriarchy causes differential, unequal, discriminated experiences of men and women. Particularly women are discriminated in different aspects of society, isn't it? Because of patriarchal social structures, and therefore, according to feminists, a scope of sociology also includes a study of all those structures, values, institutions, values, norms, which causes unequal, discriminatory experiences of women, right? Low status and position of women, subservient position of women, isn't it? Right? Subaltern position of women in society. And so, they widened the scope of sociology, isn't it? So, according to feminist sociologists, a scope of sociology includes what? क्या include होता है उसमें? Also includes all those structures, institutions, values, norms, which causes inequality, discrimination against women, which causes gender inequality and disparities in society. A study of all those structures, institutions, values and norms should also be included in a scope of sociology, which was basically not focused by early sociologists. आप देखोगे even in the writings of early sociologists, अभी आगे we will discuss sociologist Karl Marx, yeah? So in the writings of Karl Marx, Emil Durkheim, Max Weber, you will not see use of term men and women, isn't it? मतलब early sociological literature was not gender sensitive, right? Gender sensitive नहीं था. Karl Marx का जब भी देखोगे तो men है ना, right? Men for survival worked, isn't it? And so they developed social relation, isn't it? Getting a point. तो बाद में क्या हुआ इसमें? Like feminist sociologists, particularly like after in early decades of 1900, early decades of 20th century, isn't it? Feminist sociologists, right, raised their voice in the discipline of sociology in academics, right, to include women concerns, isn't it? All structural analysis that causes discrimination against women, right? So they also contributed in widening the scope of sociology, and according to them, the scope of sociology includes the study of patriarchy, patriarchal social structures, inequality in entitlements caused by patriarchal social structure, है ना? And patriarchal social structure is not limited only to family. केवल family में नहीं है, yes ना? Patriarchy also functions outside family, right? जैसे economy, workplaces, yes ना? Getting a point. In the beginning, after industrialization, majority of men, even after lots of developments, changes, transformation, we will see very few women employed in formal sectors of work organization, largely women employed in informal sectors में, yes na? Even in the formal sector of work organization, women का participation is very less and at lower positions, not in higher positions. इसीलिए positive discrimination, Government of India also passed act for appointment of 2 women directors in board of इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर्स कि भाई उसमें डायरेक्टर होनी चाहिए वुमेन, क्योंकि कंपनीज में वुमेन डायरेक्टर ही नहीं, इज इट? अब डायरेक्टर नहीं तो डिसीजन मेकिंग में पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं, इज इट? फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ राइट्स ऑफ women in the companies. So Companies Act was amended, few years back, yeah, for positive discrimination for women, yeah. So this is economic में, economy, polity में, you see lesser representation of women in different spheres of politics. Even if there is protection in पंचायती राज institution for their representation, तो वहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, effective representation, effective participation is not there. Decisions are taken by husbands, सरपंच पति या पति प्रधान, नहीं सॉरी, प्रधान पति, yes. So this is so in many world religions women are not allowed to participate in to perform rites and rituals in sanctum and sanctorium of religious structures. Yes or no? Sanctum sanctorium में जाने पे क्या है, prohibition है. आज भी कई बार movement होता रहता, women movements are organized for entry into sanctum sanctorium of the temples. Yes.
Majority of religions are founded by men.
हाँ, मतलब not founded, like even if founded, तो फिर participation religion is for all ना, right? Getting a point or not? Particularly in democratic society, right? But still we see, inequalities, discriminations, yeah. So that is. So this is what, so feminist sociologists highlight in their sociological writings. Yes, na? कि there are structures responsible for inequality and discrimination. Education की बात करें तो education में भी disparities continues, yeah. Yes or no? Right, in all levels of education, in all aspects of education, you will find some form of disparity between men and women. Yes, na? So this is. So they have basically highlighted all these, facts, social facts, and contributed to widening the scope of sociology, and they advocated that the scope of sociology should include a study of all these, right? So this is.